Welcome to this video introduction to health and counseling services at Gonzaga University. This video will give a brief overview of services available in our office, how to access those services, and where to go for additional information. First, a brief overview of our mission. We're here to support, promote, and improve the physical, emotional, and mental health and well-being of our students so they can be men and women for others. Our goal is really to help in any way that we can so that our students can be their healthiest selves and really continue in whatever opportunities and work that they are pursuing. For those of you who have been with the university for a while, you may be familiar with the Counseling Center and Health Center in their previously independent formats. In July 2015, we were all consolidated into a single integrated care team that's really designed to create a one-stop shop for all of our students' health and wellness needs. We're located at 704 East Sharp, which is on the corner of Sharp and Dakota, just 2 blocks north of the Hemmingson Center. This is the building where the health center previously was located, and now we are all here together as a single place where students can come for care in any fashion that they may need. We are available to all currently enrolled Gonzaga students. During the academic year, we're here Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Thursdays we open at 10. Those hours do shift just a little bit during the summer months or during times when the university is on breaks or holidays. So be sure to watch morning mail or look at our website, gonzaga.edu/health and counseling, for any hours, special hours during those periods of time. While we do accept walk-ins for many services, we strongly encourage that students make appointments. This is largely just to help accommodate their very busy schedules, and we want to make sure that you as a student are able to get in, get out, and get back to the many other things we know you have going on. So we do encourage those appointments. We always have a triage nurse available on a walk-in basis, though. The wait time for that is usually 5 to 15 minutes at most, where you're able to walk in and just ask to consult with a nurse. There's no charge, and whether it's consulting about mental health concerns, yourself, a physical ailment, not being sure what to do about any concern related to your health and well-being, our triage team is here to help give you guidance. A quick overview of our staff, and you can find bios and photos of each of these individuals on our website, but we do have 2 board-certified family medicine physicians. Every day we have 1 male and 1 female to offer students a choice of gender if that's appropriate for their concern. We have advanced registered nurse practitioners a few days a week, a part-time psychiatrist, psychologists, nurses, counselors, part-time dietitian, and a number of other staff to help meet the many health and well-being needs of our students. This is just a very brief overview of the services that we have available in each of our 4 distinct areas. Our medical services function very much like a family practice doctor would or like an urgent care. The one thing to know is that for our medical services, we don't offer x-ray here on site, but we can certainly refer you off campus and write those orders. But we do serve acute illnesses, injuries, we do screenings including STI screenings, a number of immunizations, and largely can help connect you to any care that you may need that we don't offer, and we can help you navigate the Spokane community in regard to medical care if you need it. One quick note, we do offer health rides there, so if you are a student and you do not have transportation and you have an off-campus medical appointment, or you need transportation during evenings and weekends to an urgent care service, we have a health ride service where a cab can pick you up here at Health and Counseling Services, take you to your appointment, and bring you back to campus for a very small cost. Again, more information on that is available on our website, gonzaga.edu/health and counseling. We offer psychiatry. This is just a small snapshot of some of the topics that we serve our students in regard to counseling services. Largely anything that you have a concern with, we can assist you with. And then our nutrition services with our dietitian who assists in a number of nutritional areas. One thing to keep in mind about our counseling model is that it is short-term solution focused. So essentially what that means is that our student and the counselor will sit down during their intake or that very first session and establish an action plan, if you will, the number of sessions that they're expecting, and kind of talk through what that process will look like. This is largely because most students are really coming in with shorter term or kind of acute concerns, whether it's due to a recent breakup or they've been having a tough time lately. If you as a student or the student that you're working with is looking for something that's longer term, perhaps students who have been seeing a counselor on a very frequent basis coming into college and are looking to continue that, we're probably not the right place for you, but we can assist you in connecting to community providers for that longer term care if that's something that you are seeking. There is a small cost for a number of services here in our office. A note, there is no cost for counseling services. Those are provided free of charge, as are visits with the triage nurse if they're just consulting with a triage nurse. For our medical services, our nutrition, as well as our psychiatry services, we do not accept or process insurance for those visits. So payment is due at the time of service. We accept cash, credit, debit, check, Bulldog bucks, or the student can put the charge on their student account. A basic visit starts at $30 and the average visit cost is under $45. At the end of that visit, we will provide you with a super bill, which you can use to submit a claim to your own insurance company. If you want to submit that claim, please be sure to let the office staff know that you need your visit coded. If we are going to send a student out for x-rays, if we have ordered lab work and we're sending blood to the outside lab, we will send your insurance card for that external care, and those third-party providers will bill your insurance directly for those services. Again, I mentioned this a little earlier, we have the Health Ride program to assist with transportation. You can make those reservations via phone by calling our office or online. We have an online request form, and it also answers online all of the questions around this particular service, which is used by a number of students every day. Another service we have available through our website is called our self-care store. Students can purchase health rides. They can purchase basic over-the-counter medications, cough drops, thermometers and tissue and cough syrup and eye drops and all sorts of basic pharmaceutical over-the-counter care items. Parents can also purchase those on their students' behalf through this store, or faculty staff can purchase them for themselves as a service to them. Vaccinations can also be purchased through this site, which helps parents who are perhaps wanting to purchase something that their student is then going to come in and get administered. You can access this self-care store via a direct link on our website, gonzaga.edu/health and counseling. Finally, there are a number of ways that we can support you, whether you're a student or whether you're a parent, family, faculty, or staff. First, we can consult about specific situations. If you yourself as the student want to come in and just talk to us and get an idea of what we think you should do, get some guidance, we're happy to do that. You may be interested in helping a friend or have concerns about someone else. That's certainly something that we can also help you with. Parents or faculty staff, again, we can consult with you. Just keep in mind that there is a large amount of privacy that we maintain for our students. Confidentiality around healthcare information is incredibly important. So we may not have the ability to discuss details with you, but we can certainly help consult with whatever your situation is as a student. If you as a student are in distress, or if you are a faculty staff member who is seeking to refer a student, or a parent who is seeking to refer your own student in, we would be happy to help in any of those circumstances. We often have students who walk other students in any way, shape, or form. If you're not sure what to do in regard to your health and well-being, just come in the door. Just come visit us, call us. We will help you out. Finally, we have a number of resources specific to common challenges that our students face, both here in the office and on our website, to support the health and well-being of our students. If there's something that you can't find, give us a call, shoot us an email. We will be happy to help connect you to those resources. As always, you are welcome to call, to email. We want to be here to support our Gonzaga students, their families, our faculty and staff, and all things related to health and well-being. Here is our contact information. If we haven't covered it in today's quick intro video, we would be happy to consult on your specific situation via any of these mechanisms. We hope you are able to do all wonderful things while you're at Gonzaga, and in any way that we can support you during that journey in regard to your health and well-being, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope you have a great day.